Alright, so today we're doing something a bit different. I got a commission to create 2 paintings, and in this video we're only doing one, which is the rose eye. And I'm doing things a little different this time. I'm using some graphite paper to transfer the image. So what I basically did was I printed the image through a black and white printer, and I'm just taking this graphite paper, taping it onto the canvas. This is an 8x8 inch canvas, by the way. It's very small. I've been working very small lately. I'm not sure why. Sometimes I like the transfer from going very small to very big paintings, and I guess I'm kind of doing that right now. This was a commission, so I guess it's the size they wanted. But anyways, so now I'm just kind of tracing the image with a pen, and it's going to transfer onto the actual canvas. And I didn't use any gesso or any sort of primer for this canvas, which honestly I do start to regret, because the beginning layers just took forever to get real good, real smooth and everything. Prep is very important, and sometimes I just take that for granted. Anyways, so we're starting off with the background. I always feel like it's way more proper to start with the background and then do the foreground, just because it saves a lot on paint, and you don't have to keep going back and forth with everything. And this is a little bit different than what I usually do. Usually I just color block the whole painting and then slowly work in all of the colors, almost like a vector or something to that extent. And our background is going to be a bit of a cerulean blue. And I mean, that's just my go-to color, to be honest. Cerulean blue, phthalo, and a bright blue. That's what the color is actually called, bright blue. So, yeah. We're just trying to get our base layer on first, and slowly but surely build off of that. And I'm actually using a newer camera for this. So I started to notice the lighting might be a little more dimmer than usual. And also I didn't end up recording everything in it. You know what I mean? So you'll find out. There's a bit of some skipping around that I start to do. But yeah, I'm just doing my color blocking. With phthalo, it just takes so much time to make it not transparent. One of my pet peeves is when people leave a bit of some canvas exposed, So I always try to cover up all of the canvas. It just, honestly, it makes the painting look so much better. It just gives it an extra quality of finished. And right now I'm just doing the leaves and slowly going deeper and deeper inside the center of the canvas. And you can look right there. I am actually starting to work with my violets. One thing that's pretty interesting about this painting is I'm using a dark blue, bluish violet color that really makes the red in this rose pop out, and I'm so proud of that, honestly. It was a great color scheme by me, I have to say. One thing I do love is just a good color scheme, and like that, I'm just cleaning up all of these lines and everything, and working on the eye, and doing all of the highlights and everything. So this one was a quicker video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be working on another commission for this person. It's fortunately 2 paintings. So yeah, and I guess if you guys want a commission, just DM me on Instagram, Torches, or check out my website. And have a nice one. I'll see you again. Like, subscribe, all that jazz.